Hello everyone, today we will see shortcut keys of Vim Editor and we will know how does it work. So what is Vim? Vim is a text editor. So now we will install Vim Editor in our Linux system. First I will open terminal, enter the command yum install Vim. Okay, Vim Editor installed in our system. If I have already filed, it can be open. If I don't have any file, so I can create new file through Vim Editor. Vim test 2. This is the my file that I have. So it if I want to create new file, I can create test 4. Okay. Actually, we are working on two modes. One, command mode and insert mode. Command mode. In command mode, we can edit function, moving cursor, deleting text. The letter of the keyboard perform this editing function. To enter command mode, press the escape button. So we will check. If I will open my S2. Now I am in the insert mode. Okay. We have to go to the command mode, click on the escape button. Then insert mode. We can type the letter from words to sentence in order to begin entering. Text in the empty file must be changed from command mode to insert mode. To do this, type I button. Now you can see here you are entering in the insert mode. Okay. Now I have opened this file. So I open this file. So I will do some changes in this file. Okay. I am doing changes. Okay. I am doing changes. Now I will save this file, but I will not exit from this file. To save the edit you have done, but leave Vim running and your file open. So for that we have to enter the command. First we have to go to the first we have to enter the escape, then colon, then W, and then enter. Now you saved your file, but you didn't leave this file. If you will go to the insert mode, or you can change anything again, or I will do again escape colon W, enter. I did changes, but I didn't leave this file. So now we will see quit. To quit Vim and discard any changes you have done since last saving, press type. First you have to go to the command mode, click on the escape button, then colon and Q, enter. Look, you quit the file and whatever you changes, it is done like that, same. So now you quit the file. Okay, now we will open again. We will see. Look, I changes something here and I quit the file. Now we will see how to save file and quit. So for that also you have to do same activity, escape colon W and Q. Look, W is for save, Q for quit. Okay, enter. So I will do again. I will do some changes. Wait to the go to the insert mode. Changes escape colon WQ. Now if you will see the file cat2, look, I did some changes here. Okay, now we will see moving cursors. So I will open file. We have a cursor HJKL. H for left from the cursor, L for right from the cursor, J for down from the cursor, and K for up from the cursor. Next, Shift plus H for the first line of the current screen. If you enter Shift plus H, it will go to the top of the screen. First line of the screen. Okay, look. Shift H for the first line of current screen. Shift M is for the middle line of the current screen, and Shift L for the last line of the current screen. Shift H for the first line of this current screen. If you will enter Shift plus H, you will go to the first line of the current screen. Okay. Then if you will put Shift plus M, you will go in the middle of the current screen. And if you will enter Shift plus L, you will go to the last line of the current screen. Then Control F, jump forward on full screen. If you will enter here, Control plus F, it will go to the full screen. Look. Then Control B, jump backward on full screen. If you will enter Control plus D, it will come to the back. Then next Control D, jump forward down a half screen. Look. Then next Control plus U, jump back up on half screen. Look. Next, Shift plus G for going to the end of the file. Next, G for going to the beginning of the file, lowercase. Then E, lowercase, go to the end of the current word. Look. Then capital E, go to the end of the current word. Same. Then B, lowercase. Then B, go to the previous word. Then W, go to the next word. Then next we will see how to search the word. Escape colon slash what I have to search, I have to put here. Search name changes. Look, like that you can search. To delete a character from a file, move the cursor on the incorrect character and put the command. First you have to go press enter escape and put the command X. It will delete character from the right. It will delete character from the right. Okay. Now if you want to delete more character in a single file, in a single word, so just like I want to delete a two character from here. So I will put here, I will enter 2x. Now see, I deleted two character. Now to delete a character before the cursor, put escape shift plus x. X lowercase, it will remove the character after the cursor. X uppercase, it will remove the character before the cursor. Now we will see deleting words and line in the Vim editor. Deleting words and deleting line. Editing command required that you be on the command mode. To delete a word, move the cursor to the first letter of the word and type WD. Look here, I deleted one word. If you want to delete a multiple word, you have to type the numbers. Just like I want to delete the three words. So I will put here 3 WD. Look, I want to delete two words. 2 WD. Okay, like that you can delete. Put the command DD for delete all lines. If you want to delete a two line at a time, so put the command to DD. If I want to delete from here to last line, so I will put here capital D, shift plus D. Next, replace character in Vim editors. To replace one character with another, move the cursor to the character to be replaced. I want to replace Yan. Please, then enter escape, then enter the R and replace the character. Look, like that you can replace the character. Replace line in Vim editor. To change text from the cursor position to the end of the line, type C uppercase and enter the new line. If you want to replace two line, enter 2 shift plus C. Now you enter. Now you can see two lines replaced here. To insert text in line, position the cursor where the new text should go. With and type I to go to the insert mode. Then go and to insert text in line, position the cursor where the new text should go. First, you have to go to the insert mode. Then enter the new text. The text inserted before the cursor, press escape, go back the command mode. Next, to add text to the end of the line, position the cursor of the last letter of the word analysis and type A and type the new text. Open blank line in Vim editors. To insert blank line below the current line, type O in lowercase. Insert a blank line above the current line, type O in uppercase, shift plus O. Then next, join line in vim editor. To join two lines together, put the cursor on the first line to be joined and type shift plus J. To join three lines together, put the cursor on the first line to be joined and type 3 shift J. So guys, this all the shortcut keys for the Vim editor. I hope you understand. I will enter the all shortcut keys in description. So guys, please subscribe our channel to watch more videos. Thank you guys.